Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY these lashes. They're easy and they're affordable and you don't have to spend so much money on expensive lashes when you can make your own. If you guys want to know how to make cheap lashes look glam and look expensive, then keep on watching.
Hey guys, so here are the lashes we're going to be using today. These are the 615s. I use these to create texture and dimension. These are the 614s and I use these as a base when I double them up. So first you're going to start by loosening them up from their packet, but you're going to place them right back so they don't lose their curve. And repeat these steps for the second pair. Now we're going to be grabbing the 615s and placing a very thin layer of lash glue on the band. Now we're going to grab the 615s and place them right over the 614s. I place them in the center of the 614s so we can create the texture that we want. And this is how they look doubled up, but we are not done yet. Repeat these same steps for lash number 2. Here I'm just using some tweezers to place the lashes above the 614s. You can use your fingers or you can use tweezers. I like to let them dry for 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to remove the lashes with some tweezers or your fingers so we can place them in hot water. Now I place the lashes in hot water for about 5 to 10 seconds. Place the lash on the side of the finger. Then I pat down lightly on the lashes to remove excess water. Now place the lashes on the side of the finger, hold it down with one nail, and start brushing with a spoolie just to return that curl. After doing this, I like to place the lashes back into their original packet so we can keep that curve. Now it's time to give the lashes texture and dimension. I brush through with a spoolie and then I bring the blow dryer and blow dry those wet edges. Now I use the spoolie again to fluff up the lashes, and we're going to keep repeating these steps. Blow dry and fluff up. Blow dry and fluff up. By doing this, we're giving the lashes more curl, depth, and fluffiness. This may look repetitive, and yes, it takes a while, but when you're done, you're going to love these lashes. Here's a side view of how fluffy they're starting to look. Again, you're going to repeat these same steps for that second lash. Put it in hot water, brush it out, place it back in their package, brush out the lashes, return that curl, bring the blow dryer in, blow dry those wet edges. I also forgot to mention that the blow dryer helps to seal that curl in the lashes. This is why we repeat these steps: blow drying, fluffing, curling. It's working in the same way that we use heat to flat iron or curl our hair. A side view of the finished lashes. This is the final look of these beautiful lashes. Once you have them on, you don't want to take them off. They are gorgeous. So guys, this is the final product. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys try this look, please tag me or leave it down in the comments below. Love you. Bye.